Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tanya Tugai. So if you're watching my channel for the first time, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and support. So let's get started into the video. In today's topic, I'm going to show you some kind of error making questions where you can check it out whether these kind of questions will implement your coding executes. Okay, let's start with the basic program. For suppose if I declare x equals to some Tanya, okay. Now, if I declare one more variable, which is y, and I just wanted to declare this with single quotes, Tanya. Okay. Now, is both of them are same? For suppose if I declare print of x equals to y, are they same? Are they going to execute? Now let's check it out. I'll give you some options like whether it is true, false, or else you'll get an error or none. What you are going to get? Can you please guess? Yeah, I'll give you some time for guessing. Please work on that. So many people will think that in the top x variable, we declared double quotes. In the down, we declared single quote. So it's not correct, ma'am. Okay, but it is correct. Okay, it's correct. Okay, this single quotes and double quotes, it will return true. Okay, yeah. So now the output for this is true. So this is very a basic question. Okay, yeah. So now let's move on to the next question. So the second question is, for suppose if we declare a variable, I'll just show you the code. Yeah. So see here. So let's work on this code which we work on previous, that is Tanya. And y equals to Tanya again. Print of x equals to y. So this is a comparison operator, right? So see the output here. It's obviously moving to the terminal. That's okay. Fine. Let's sort the issue later. So here the output is true. Okay. Because we are using the comparison operator and we'll get the output is true. So now see here. I'll show you the next question. This is one more question. So usually people will declare variables in a different way, like a equals to some 2 or 3. Now a is equals to some 5 or 9. Okay, now if you write print of a, you will be getting the output which is the recently stored one. Okay, this is one method of writing a variable. So now here the output is 9. Okay, yeah.